of the well-known nonprofits, a lot of the bigger ones too, get a lot of support, but the small organizations are the ones that often need it the most.
Yeah, the big ones often more money pouring in,
Yep.
right? That's the way it goes. But just outside of the Metroplex in Kaufman, there's one nonprofit giving adults with special needs purpose, friendship, opportunity. But to keep their doors open, they need some help. Nicole Nielsen with why their services matter.
We just need the support.
In the heart of Kaufman, inside a small building tucked off the highway, lives are being changed. It all started with Shelley Brookins and a man she randomly met named Richie when he needed a ride.
They kept talking about day programs. Shelly, I want to go to a day program. I want to hang out with friends. And so I started researching it. And so I found out Richie was on this huge wait list that's 15 to 20 years long in Texas. I just kept waking up every day and God saying, be a solution, be a solution.
That solution became Be Happy, a day program for adults with special needs where friendships are built, job skills are taught, and community is found.
We try to go out on outings on just about every other day or
For members like Katrina Farr, it's a safe haven, a place to belong.
just knowing that they're in the same, some of them are in the same boat I am.
And after the day program wraps up, the building transforms into Hive Creamery, a homemade ice cream shop run by the very adults who come here.
The ice cream shop has struggled. I want to be honest with that. Once they try it, they love it. It's homemade. It's really good. But I think people just don't know that we exist yet because we're still trying to get on the map for that.
But in this rural community, the need outpaces the resources. 35 participants fill the program, and they're outgrowing their space and funding very tight.
Our donations, our fundraisers are the only way we can keep our doors open. If that ever stops, we have to close our doors.
This North Texas Giving Day, their goal is to raise enough money for a second van to keep taking participants on outings. Last year, they raised just $2,000. This year, they hope for far more. For Shelley, Be Happy is more than a nonprofit. It's a mission that became even more personal when her granddaughter, Delilah, was born with Down syndrome just a few years after starting the organization. And in a town where options are limited, Be Happy is giving families hope. But to stay afloat, they're counting on North Texans to help.
They need it. And they deserve the ability to be able to go around and do what they want to do. And so I feel like that's not much to ask of our community is to help us get there.
In Kaufman, Nicole Nielsen, CBS News, Texas.
One thing is